Hello, YouTube. Wow, it's been a while since I've said that. So yeah, I haven't been on YouTube long form content since this time last year. Last year just took over. It just went mental. And to be honest with you, at the start of this year has been pretty insane as well. Just so much has gone on, but we can talk about that in a minute. So what I want to do first, before we even get started about talking what's going on in the future, let's take a look at what's looking gorgeous in my garden. How beautiful do some of them spring flowers look? It's just incredible, isn't it? Spring is here. Spring is here, everybody. Now, there are some other things I want to show you. Come follow me. You're gonna, here we go, selfie mode. We are gonna go over here because one of the things I'm doing this year, okay, one of my new little passions is collecting cacti. Now let's have a look inside my greenhouse. So here we go. So these are my seeds that I've sown. Oh, when did I sow them? About a week ago. They're already germinating. They're already looking fantastic. And then also down here, we have the cacti, which I have just started to collect. Now this year I am on a mission to try and collect more. So that is my little passion for this year. But something else I've been doing the past few days, as you can probably see with the lawn, and what I've been doing, I've been scarifying, I've been aerating, and I've actually put sharp sand down. Now, what sharp sand does, it gets in the little holes where I've aerated, and it basically helps with drainage. But what happened was, I actually ran out of sharp sand. So as you can see this little bit here, I still need to put some sharp sand down because I ran out, so I've got to nip out to the shops, got to get a few more bags, and I've got to put some more down onto the lawn. So I went for a cheeky run this morning. I've got the London Landmarks Half Marathon coming up. So I did a cheeky, I think it was 7K I did this morning. And this is what I looked like straight after. What are you looking at? Where were your eyes at that moment? Were you looking at where you shouldn't be looking? Naughty! Naughty! So my YouTube channel, what do I want to get out of my YouTube channel this year? I don't want my YouTube channel to be just gardening. I want my YouTube channel to be something completely different now. I am honestly thinking about making my YouTube about like a lifestyle, behind the scenes. I've got that many trips and things that I'm doing this year. I kind of want to bring you guys along with me, and it's going to be like days out, it's going to be like events that I go to. I want to do a little bit more national trusting, like come spend a day with me sort of YouTube channel. So I'm not going to be doing gardening hints and tips. There's that many of them out there and they're fantastic, but I want my YouTube to be completely different. It's going to be like a complete behind the scenes about me and my life, is the best way I can describe it. So if you enjoy my short form content and you follow me from there, this is proper behind the scenes of my life. So I'm traveling a little bit this year. One of the big things I want to do is I want to go to a couple of Formula One races. I am a super fan of Formula One, and it's one of my biggest passions. So there's the gym, gardening, Formula One is one of them, okay? It is something that I am just obsessed about. And I'd like to go to more than one race this year. Now I'm already definitely going abroad. I won't say where just yet, but I am going abroad this year to go watch a Formula One race. And I want to take you guys from YouTube with me. I'll do like a whole come spend the holiday with me. So I'll literally take you with me. Now this year as well, I am thinking about doing a solo trip somewhere. And I need someone to talk to, and it's going to be you guys. It's the first time I've actually ever been away on my own, which is quite a big thing for me to say at 40 years old. But I'm doing it. I'm going to go away. I'm going to do something on my own. Yeah, it's quite a big thing. You know, I can't believe that I've never actually been away on my own before. I won't go into detail about why that's happening now, but I'm very excited about the idea of doing something like that. This YouTube video was very much I wanted to say I am back. I am back on YouTube, and I will be documenting things days out, and I will be trying to push out a video at least once a month. And you know, I hope you enjoy the content that I bring you and the adventures that I'm going to go on. I'm really excited about this YouTube channel because, you know, it's kind of grown from the start of the year. I think I only had about a few thousand followers on here, but now I've got a lot more, and I'd like to just give you the true behind the scenes of my life. So I hope you guys can stick around. And I love saying this at the end of YouTube videos. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that like button. I've already said like? I think I said like twice. I think I said like twice. Anyway, you guys know what to do. I'm no expert, but you guys are. Stay green, stay gorgeous.